Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix no sound in Amazon Music. So if Amazon Music has no sound, so the issue is usually simple, like volume settings or device conflicts. So you'll need at first to go and check the volume in silent mode. So this basic but common. So all you need to do is to press the volume up and down, okay, while of course playing the music. And also you'll need to make sure that the media volume is not muted and the phone is not on silent, even vibrate. Okay, so you gotta check. Also, you will need to check the headphones and the Bluetooth. So the disconnected Bluetooth devices like earbuds, speakers, car audio extra, and unplug wired headphones, then try playing again. So sometimes sound is playing on another device without you noticing. Okay. Also, I really advise you to restart the app. So just go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your phone, then swipe up the app. So that way you will close Amazon Music completely and even removes it from the recent apps, and then just reopen it and try again. Also, I do really advise you to do a restart for your phone, so this clears temporary bugs affecting audio. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.